Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to boil eggs easy way full guide easy guide. Place eggs in one layer in a pot and cover with cold water by 1 inch, then bring to a gentle boil. Reduce heat to a simmer and time 6 to 12 minutes depending on yolk firmness. Transfer eggs to an ice bath for 5 minutes, then peel under running water for cleaner shells and easier peeling. Start your timer when the water reaches a gentle boil, then reduce heat to maintain a steady simmer. For 6 eggs, 6 minutes yields slightly soft yolks and 10 minutes yields fully set yolks. Adjust by 1 minute when adding more eggs. Remember, colder eggs from the fridge might need an extra 30 seconds. Use an ice bath immediately after cooking to preserve color, texture, and make peeling far easier. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is great for following recipes hands-free and resting between kitchen tasks, and its waterproof design pairs nicely with messy cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Tap each egg gently on a hard surface, then roll to create a network of cracks before peeling. Start peeling from the wider end where an air pocket forms, and peel under running water to flush away tiny shell pieces. If you struggle, try adding a teaspoon of baking soda to the cooking water or use eggs that are a few days old for cleaner separation between shell and membrane.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.